Okay, this is the Vanguard LHQ2X2 welding manipulator.
All right, to walk around.
To walk,
here.
yep.
Yeah, got the welder set up, control of course, speaks for itself. Control cabinet we'll come back to, boom's up high already. We get some of that. Down here you got a three-phase coming in for the welder. And of course the swivel clamps for the beam itself, for spinning it. A couple of cables we've got. Watch out for that. Yeah, coming around, got the cable set up here with the interface as you. I'll show some of the cabling first.
Yeah.
All the switches work, we checked them all out, all the over travels, the limits are all good. So all the circuitry works, and I don't know where you're at on this end here. Three-phase coming in, 220 or 440 or 480. We're presently using high voltage. This is the interface for the pendant, which just unplugs, and there is the pendant. It's got a nice 50, 60 foot cord on there, so we can show that in a minute when we're running. And going up high to the electric panel, we're on now. I could just reach it. We can open up, show a little bit in the power train here. We do have a book. I don't know if you can see it there. We got some documentation and a nice set of schematics in with it over there. There's the transformer. You can bypass it, go straight in. The machine does run 220 volts. We're using the transformer right now, 480 to 220. So you can go either way, dual voltage, and we're presently on. There's the converter for the boom up there. And we'll fire it up. So all we got for that really here is the pendant, and I can leave it here. We got three main functions. That's boom, rapid, off a jog, back and forth, boom, controlled speed, and of course up and down. So up and down is an easy one. We can maybe do that first. It's maintained right now. It can be used either way, maintained or momentary. Works pretty good. And here's the jog, which is full bore, 60 hertz. You get everything on this. I think we got room over there. Oh, yeah. And boom, shrink, extend. Like I said, that's 60 hertz. Now I'm dialed down to, well, this is supposed to be feet per minute right here, the 12.6. That's pretty close. It's not too far off. But I turned the pot up even before I run the boom. As I turn the pot up, that's going to go feet per minute is going to go up with it. No, it's inches per minute. I'm sorry. Inches per minute. So I don't know how closely it's calibrated, but the feedback does work. And here is the boom off the main drive. If I slow it down, I don't know what the normal running speed would be, but I get that thing pretty slow there. Yeah, we'll stop it there. You can see I'm down to like 9.2 inches per minute. And we'll go the other way. And maybe go a little bit slower here. Let's see. That works nice. You get nice and slow on there if you're running a bead. I guess that's kind of where you want to be. Speed it up a little bit. And just for the hell of it, we're probably at around only 20 or 30 hertz. If we want to take a quick look in the cabinet here as that's running, let's see what our frequency is. I'm not sure what we're even at. 60's full out. What do we got up there? Maybe 22? Yeah, it's about 20. So we're about 1/3 full speed, yeah. Not bad. So, yeah, dial it up a little bit. It's probably about half speed here. Yeah. And again, there's on, that's maintained, and it's on off. That's pretty much it right there. All works nice.